Hey there, on behalf of money downloaders, I welcome you to another video where I will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to open an account with the Deriv broker. If you don't know me yet, my name is Cletous Ngoma, the chairman, co-founder and coach at Money Downloaders. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the post notification bell on. That way, each time I upload or post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If you're a returning subscriber, a big shout out to you. Keep sharing my videos with friends and family. If you are watching this video from my website, you can go ahead and click on the sign up button just below this video. If you are on YouTube, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Clicking on that link in the description or button on my website will make you sign up for an account using my affiliate link, meaning I will get a small commission every time you trade on your account at no additional cost to you. It is these commissions that helps sponsor the creation of tutorial videos on my YouTube channel. With that being said, let us get rolling. Alright, so when you click my link, you are going to be taken to this web page of deriv.com, and if you scroll down, you are going to see right here where they say create free demo account, right? And we are going to click on that. Now, one thing that you should appreciate is the fact that Deriv allows you to open an account that is a demo account, and at the same time they will allow you to go on and open a real account. Now, a demo account is more of like a demonstration account or a practice account, right, where you can trade as if you're trading on a real account. The only difference from a real account is that on this demo account, any money that you lose, right, you are not actually losing it because it's virtual money, and at the same time, any money you make, be it profit, right, you are never going to be able to withdraw it because it's virtual money, it's a demo account. But if it is a real account, if you lose money, you're actually losing your own money, and if you make money, you're actually making money, and you can be able to withdraw it. All right, so we are going to be asked to sign up, right, to create a demo account, and then we are going to use email C311. If again this is not my real Gmail account, I'm just using it for demonstration purposes, and then they will ask you to agree to their terms and conditions, and then you can click on create free demo account. Now they will tell you that you need to check your email because they will have sent you a message, right, with a link to activate your account, and in case you don't receive that email with that link, you can just come back here and click on I did not receive my email. So we'll go to our inbox, and you can see we've got a message from deriv.com. If we click on it, right, we scroll down, we will see right here where they say verify my email address, and we are just going to click on that. All right, we'll wait for it to load, right, so that I can show you the next step. All right, but for me, I found that Deriv works better for me, right, and it's a very reputable broker, so I also advise you to use deriv.com. And one thing that is good with using deriv.com is the fact that you can be able to trade synthetic indices 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right? You don't have to wait for the weekend to be over so that you can get back to trading again. No, with deriv.com you can actually be able to get back to trading anytime that you want to be trading. You don't have to really wait for 2 days or Saturday, Sunday before you can get back to trading on Monday. And also Deriv will allow you to open a Forex account where you can also trade currencies or stocks, right, or metals like gold or silver. You are going to be asked where do you live, or they will ask for your country of residence. For mine, I will say Zimbabwe, right, and I will click on next. They will ask you to create a password, right? You really need to remember this password, and then click on start trading. They will ask you if you want to update your password. I will just click on no thanks, right, and then it is going to continue loading, right? So they will then ask you, where would you like to start? Do you like to start trading CFDs, that is Forex, synthetics, stocks, indices, commodities, right? for us, I will just click on CFDs, right, because we want to be able to create to be able to trade, right, these CFDs, that is synthetics, financials, and financial STP, right? All right, now we can start with a demo account. So we'll click on where it says demo account, and then we'll click on where it says add demo account. They will ask you to create a password. We'll create our trading password, start set trading password, right, and then they will say success. You click on continue. They will give you these details. Your broker is Deriv Limited, server is Deriv Demo, your login ID, and then that password that you would have used to create this demo account. So if you go to your MetaTrader platform and use these details, you're then actually going to be able to log into your account and start trading. All right, you can also click on where it says funds top up, right here. If maybe you blow this account and you want to add more funds, the limit is 10,000 USD for a demo account. So currently the balance is 10,000 USD. This is the amount you'll be given as soon as you open your account. You can't top up any more funds. But if you blow this account, right, and you want to top up more funds, you can actually come here and select on top up 10,000 USD. All right, so we'll just then go on to our real account, right? We'll now want to open a real account, no thanks, right? And then they will say you need a real account in Deriv to create a real DMT5 account. So you can't be able to open a synthetic account or a financial account or a financial STP account as of now unless you first create a Deriv account, right? So when you want to open a Deriv account, they will first ask you to choose which currency or which cryptocurrency do you want to use. You can select USD, Euro, Pounds, or Australian dollar. You can even use maybe Bitcoins, right, or Litecoin, whatever you want to use, right? So in my case, I'm just going to use a US dollar account, right? And also they will tell you that you are only limited to one fiat account. You won't be able to change your account currency if you've already made your first deposit or created a real DMT5 or Deriv account. So you need to be very careful when you are choosing the currency that you want to be using in the future. So for me, I'm comfortable with using US dollar. I will click on next. They will ask for my name, so I will just use a fake one, which is C. Again, last name I will maybe use NGG. Date of birth, maybe I will use 2000 Feb 26, and then phone number, right, a random one, or maybe let me use mine, right, and then I'll click on next. Then they will ask for my address, right? So I'll just go with 4559 closer, right? Second line, maybe I will use Belridge. Yeah, and Belridge, and then town or city Harare, right? Again, state province Harare. In Zimbabwe don't have a postal code, so I'll just put 0263 and then I'll click on next, right? Now you need to agree that you are not a politically exposed person and you've never been a political exposed person in the last 12 months. And again, once more, you need to agree to their terms and conditions, and then you click on add account, right? After you click on add account, they will say your account is ready. You can now deposit, but for now we'll click maybe later, because we are not going to deposit as of this video. Now you can see that you are now able to add a real account, which is a synthetic account. Now a synthetic account is the one where you can be able to trade synthetic indices like volatility 75 index, boom and crash, right, jump indices, right, and etc. And one thing that I want you to appreciate is the fact that you can actually be able to trade 24/7 if you are trading synthetic indices. So let us create our trading password, right, and then we'll click on add account, right? And then now it's adding my account. Success. They'll ask you to transfer money into your account, but since we don't have any money, if we click on transfer now, no thanks, you are going to see that we are going to be taken to the cashier, and they will say you have no funds in your USD account, and they will ask you to first deposit before you can transfer money to your account. So that is basically it for opening an account with Deriv. Maybe you can even go back to open a financial account if you want to trade Forex, stocks, and indices, commodities, cryptos, right, with leverage, right? You can also open a financial account. So this is basically it for this video. Until then, I will see you in the next lesson.